Yo, so I've been on the heater, man. Got myself out of a jam. This your boy DCPRT. Let's get into the trade recap. More videos will be on the way. You know what I'm saying? And let's get to it, man. So man, I traded 6 stocks, as y'all can see. I was doing some work, you know what I'm saying, with all these stocks, man. But let's hop right into it though, man. And if you want to get on the wait list, you know what I'm saying, go to my website, dcprt.com. You can come trade with me, man. I've been on fire. And yeah, man, I show you everything I know, my indicator lines, my strategies. I don't use this chart right here. I use Thinkorswim as a chart, and all my indicators are on Thinkorswim. That's how I'm able to be accurate with these stocks. Except for pre-market, man. SPRO was the first stop, man, and I took a $1,700 loss on it, $1,760. You know, cause it kept grinding down. It wouldn't bounce. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, I had to take that L. I thought I was gonna squeeze up, cause technically it was like the first real pullback. You had a mini pullback right here. You know, you had like a mini pullback right here. You know, these are like mini pullbacks, but this was like a real pullback. You know what I'm saying? But it just didn't spike, man. It didn't go nowhere. So, you know, I was building my position, getting in long here at 259, 249. You know, I was averaging down. It did spike up. I was able to get out and take a little profit, but I didn't want that, man. I wanted to squeeze up to like back to the highs, really. It just kept going down, man. So I had to get out. I had to respect it. I got out at 216 and took a $1,760 loss. But then I started bring it back, man. You know what I'm saying? I started nailing these other trades. What's the second stock I traded after that? So I said, man, I need to find some more stocks to trade so I can make my money back. So next stock was MVTS. Had a nice trade on this one. Ended up squeezing up real nicely right here, pre-market like 7 o'clock. Started at 7 o'clock, ripped up. This was the original stock I was gonna get in. I was looking at this stock first before I got into SPRO, and I was gonna go long right here. That's the man. Oh my god, bro. Oh man, I don't even remind myself about this. I was gonna go long here because it hit my lines right here at 6:56. I was gonna go long right here. I was waiting on it, but I ended up seeing SPRO. I would have went long right here. I would have held this thing all the way up because it wasn't no need to sell, and I would have made what I would have did what probably would have did like 2,000 shares. So from 650 all the way up to $8. You might say $8. I probably would have sold this thing. I probably would have sold it at like 750. To be real, shoot, that would have been what, like $3,000. That would have made like $3,000 on that trade. Well, I didn't see it though because I was in this other stock. So after I seen this big run up, I said, man, I'm finna short this thing. So that's what I did. I got shares to short. It looked like it was crashing, so I went short. Boom. It's 759, and it went all the way down here to 698, and I took my profit. So I made some money. I made some good money right there. I shorted it again. It kept crashing. I made some money right there. I shorted it again on this bounce right here. Made some more money. I was just crushing it. You know what I'm saying? Making my money on this stock, and I was doing like 900 shares. You know what I'm saying? And I finished with $972. Yeah, I didn't make no more trades on it. So I finished with $927 on all 3 of these trades. That was nice. So I'm making my money back. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm down like $800 now from $1,700. So I'm down $800 now. Then I end up seeing, I think it was Holo. Let's see, Holo. No, it wasn't Holo. It was now I end up seeing Joby. Then I seen Joby, man. I shouldn't have got in this damn stock, man. I broke my rule right here. Chased it. Plain and simple, I chased it, man. This trade should never happen. You know what I'm saying? So that was unnecessary $375 loss. That wasn't supposed to happen, but it did. Cause I thought it was gonna rip up like what it did right here. That's what I wanted was 9. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't get it. Took $375 loss. Now I'm down like 1100. And then I seen VVPR. VVPR was the savior, man. I'm so happy that this stock squeezed and gave it this opportunity right here. It ended up squeezing and then, man, it ended up crashing big, man. I ended up getting short quick. 782 and it went all the way down to 6, man. I was up like $1,500 right here. I wanted to see could it go down lower, but it ended up bouncing up here. I took my profit, made $1,000 right there, boom. And then I reshorted it right here at 751, cover it, boom. And I traded it one more time. Yup, right here. Traded it one more time and ended up making $1,300 on that stock right there. Now I'm up. You know what I'm saying? I'm up $400 now. And then, yeah, I'm up now. And then SGN, I forgot I traded that stock. SGN ended up catching it early. You know what I'm saying? A quick trade, made $290 right here. I just caught the squeeze. You know what I'm saying? And sold it, made profit on that. Quick trade right there. And then the last stock, because I was up like $400, was Holo, and this will put me up $631. I just caught the I nailed the dip. You know, it crashed down here, and I got long at $9.96. Sold it, quick pop, made $229, and now I'm up $631. So man, I weeded my way out of that. Good trades after that first trade, a lot of solid trades, and yeah, man, yeah, I crushed it once again, man. You know what I'm saying? This week been nice, and we can try to continue to make this bread, man. So that's it for this recap, and I'm gonna have more videos to come, and y'all give this video a like, comment what y'all think, man, and go to my website, get on the wait list, man. That's it for this video. I'm gone. Peace.